Your first 30 days in UK can either be super smooth or super stressful. So today I am going to talk about everything you need to do week by week after landing to UK to help you settle quickly and stress-free. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unstoppable Ray. So first of all, I would say personally what helped me start strong was sorting out my accommodation before even landing to this country, and I booked it through Amber Student. It was all online, super easy and completely safe. I'm going to talk about them in this video bit later. Now let's start the video. For the week 1, first of all, before coming here you need to sort out who will be coming to pick you up. If you are coming alone and you do not have anyone here, so you need to make sure that someone will pick you up from the airport and drop you to the location you are going to stay. When I landed, I booked it through my university. They had the facility where they will book a cab for me and that person will come pick me up and drop me to my accommodation. Make sure to check with your universities if they provide you the free cab system that will pick you up from the airport. Now, the second thing that you want to do is sorting out your SIM card and groceries and basic setup that you need to do, like unpacking, placing your things to the place so everything is not messed up. And the third one is settling into your accommodation. So as I told you that I booked it through Amber Student and it was so easy, so hassle free. I know how difficult it can be if you haven't booked it before. So make sure to go and book it through the valid or verified accommodation websites. I trust Amber Students. So I will drop down a link in the description. You can go and visit that. Now, moving on to the week 2. In this week, you have to sort out all the important things like registering to GP is way more important. So you have to register to GP as soon as you can. So week 2 would be your GP registration, because without that you cannot visit any doctor or get any treatment. So make sure to do that. Now the second thing that you need to do in week 2 would be opening a bank account. Now the third thing for the week 2 would be student registration if you have come as a student. Now moving on to week 3, you must look for part-time jobs. You should learn about your local area and join your university groups or the societies. That is very very important because you need to build relations. You want to build more connection so that later on you can get help getting a job that you want in your field. Now moving on to week 4. In this week your first rent will be due, so you have to start planning for that as well. You have to pay the first rent. Then for the second thing, I would say please make sure to download UK apps like Trainline, City Mappers, NHS. These are very handy and will be very useful. And number 4 would be make your room feel like home, because homesickness is real. So you need to make sure that your room where you will be spending time, it looks like home, it feels like home. Now if I look back to my journey when I started, I would say booking accommodation through Amber Student was one of the best decisions that I made. It was so hassle free. Listings were verified, no scams, no stress. It was so easy to book. It is not only in UK, it is all over the world. Canada, Australia, Germany, you name it, they have everywhere. And the best part is they are always available. They are so helpful. Their online support team is so helpful. They will help you throughout the process, even after you have booked the accommodation. If you have any troubles, you want to relocate or anything, they will be there to help you out, to sort everything and make your life easier. And if you are planning to book your accommodation in September intake or for any intake you are coming to UK, go check out my link in description, and I'm telling you, it's gonna help you a lot. You are going to thank me later. Now, to make your life more easier, I have made 30 days checklist PDF. If you are interested, comment down below starter PDF and I will share with you the PDF. Now, if you like the video, you know the drill. Just hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you are new, And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.